Here at Flite, our roof inspection service will provide high-quality photos and videos of roof coverings, gutters, ventilation, any roof protrusions, service entries and chimneys. Roof inspections done by use of ladders or physically walking on a roof involves walking steep angles, expansive and inaccessible areas. The amount of time required for these methods are costly and hazardous. Because of the time requirement of climbing ladders and physical restrictions, observing every inch of roofs is extremely unlikely. However, the deployment of a drone will capture high-quality photos and videos that cover the entire roof. These inspections can be performed in less time and with virtually no risk of injury. So with Flite Drone Service, seeing is believing.